Coming back to how do you make money from real estate? Firstly, you never buy real estate on an Excel sheet. When you buy real estate, you look at only three things: location, location, and location. If you look at your Excel sheet, you will never buy money. You know, I have a video on one of my YouTube channels, on Space Creators channel, where I have reiterated one thing, that never buy real estate on an Excel sheet. You know, it is funny how the prices go up when they go up. It is funny how you make money when you make money. The right question would be, what to look at while buying real estate. See, the most important thing to see is location. The second important thing is not to fall prey to a thing called ROI. ROI is return on investment. That this property is going to give me this ROI. If something is giving me 8-9% ROI, I'm going to go for it. If something is giving me 5 to 6% ROI, I will not go for it. Because bank is giving me that much and this is giving me that much. That is what I've been seeing for the last 4-5 years. People are falling prey to. This ROI business is what people are falling prey to. That is not the stuff to look at, people. What you need to look at is very simple. In case of residential, you need to look at what is the price of that area, and are you getting the X property that you've selected at that price or not. Or approximately 2-3% or 5% up or low. When you're buying a commercial real estate, again, even if it is a rented commercial real estate, all you need to look at the current pricing of that particular area and that particular building. If you're getting it at that price, even if it is 3% ROI, it doesn't matter. And if you're getting it expensive, and even if it is a 12% ROI, you will never make money. You know, people have this greed of return of investment, and that's where they make a mistake. If they just choose the location and find out the price, it's not difficult to find out the price of a particular location. Ask 4 people, they'll tell you. And 2 to 5, 7% expensive also, if you buy, you're not making a mistake. But if you go for this ROI business, that I want a higher ROI, you may end up in a soup.
Right.
And just go for the prime most location. I am a believer that if I'm looking at a real estate, say if I'm looking at, say, an apartment. You know, my apartment where I'm staying right now, when I bought this apartment, say about 13 years back, in this locality where I stay, it was about 6% more expensive than all the other apartments. 6 to 7% more expensive. And I bought it because I wanted the best of the best of the best of the best. It had the best view, it had the best parking, it had the best everything. I paid 6% extra. I knew it and I paid it. Today, the difference between this one and the other ones, which was 6% cheaper, is about 25%. The difference in pricing of this one and that one. 25%. So my advice is always, whenever you're going for something, buy the most expensive real estate of that area. You'll never go wrong. It's not expensive without a reason. It is expensive because it has certain qualities which everybody would like. So it will always be in demand and it will always fetch you the best price. There's a threshold in today. See, it depends where you're investing. The best investments are always in the bigger cities. You know, And also, Ramanuj, it also depends that how much horizon do you have. You know, if you're just 25 years old or 23 years old, and if you're looking at a 20-year-old threshold, you can buy an agricultural land somewhere as well. That's also going to grow in 20 years. But if you are little older and you're looking at, okay, I want to be in the bigger city, something like a Delhi or a Gurgaon, you should look at least, say, 60, 70 lakh plus. In 60, 70 lakhs, you can also go for affordable. Affordable will be much cheaper as well, say 25, 30 lakhs. You can also go for these studio apartments that you were talking about. Studio apartments are very, very popular in Gurgaon. You know, they're much popular than hotels because there are very few hotels in Gurgaon. And lot of corporates traveling for business here. So studio apartments fetch very, very good rentals. And you can also go for some pre-rented commercial real estate as well with that kind of money. Office spaces rented to big ticket MNCs, which are working from home as of now. Shops, yeah, some shops, some daily need shops in some of the societies come for that kind of price. They always certain, you always get the rentals that you saw during lockdown as well.